How to fix WhatsApp verification code not received. So if you're facing a problem with WhatsApp verification code, then the first thing you need to check is your information. Like if you have provided the wrong information, like your mobile number or your email address, then so if you have provided the wrong information, then you won't receive the code on your number. So check the information first, and after checking the information and after confirming, now you can simply open up your settings and then go for apps and notifications and go for see all apps and open up your WhatsApp. And here on the first option you will have notifications. Go for notifications, and then if you have turned off your notifications on your WhatsApp, then you have to simply turn that on. And after turning on your notifications, now you will receive the code that you want to receive. So that might fix your problem. And if that still doesn't fix your problem, then simply go back and then go for storage and cache, and then go for clear cache, and this might fix your problem. So that's it. These were the few fixes, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.